Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today I'm so excited because we are going to showcase a VIP lounge papers giveaway. Once a month, the giveaways are my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continuous love and support. And every month I decided to give away this current month VIP lounge papers. Before we crack on with the giveaway, let me show you what you could win this month. So guys, these are the papers pack for the month of April. The paper pack is called Shabby Notes because it's a collage of traditional piano and music elements with loads of shabby flowers and lace, etc. Now this pack is huge. It's got 14 pages and it has everything you need to create your project. There are background, there are gift boxes, there is tags, there is ephemera, there is all sorts. Let me crack on and show you page by page. So first page, we got 2 pillow boxes in 2 different sizes. That again, if you print this on cardstock, they will be super thick and steady. Then, in fact, let me just put it here. Then we have a background. First of the background, we have a large piano with some lace and some flowers. This is probably my favorite page of the kit. We've got some tags that, again, you can fussy cut them one by one, or you can use these as an entirety. You've got little piano, they got some flowers, love, love, love. And I love the palette. The color palette is pretty much the same for each pages because every kit that I designed for the VIP lounge members is being designed to mix and match. So everything goes well together. The color palette for this paper pack is turquoise, baby pink, and of course the black and white with the piano music. Okay, the next page is a bundle of pockets. So if you do journals, so you've got 2 square pockets and 2 there on the bottom, and you've got a tag to fit in there and a couple of tabs. They are fabulous. If you make hidden paper clips, that will look cool. Another background with a piano and some shabby elements. A page full of tags. So we got 4 medium tags and 2 slightly large ones on the bottom. A page with some embellishment. So we got 6 butterflies that you can fussy cut and layer them. An oval that you can use as a tack. Couple of tags and another embellishment on the bottom. This is another favorite of mine, is a page full of stamps. Okay, so it's on different sizes. This is a page of 4 different backgrounds that I put them together. These will make some fabulous cards. You can make vintage cards, or I can see already like stitching around it with some black thread, or like a birthday cards if you just simply put a happy birthday sentiment. Then we have 2 traditional envelopes and a scallop envelope. We've got a page with 3 large tags. They are huge. Another page with some embellishments. So we got some scallop pockets and some embellishments here that you can make like large buttons as well. You got a cube, like a gift set, a gift box in a cube. So you got all the tabs that you're folding in together, and this will be the leads that you tucked in. And last but not least is a background. So again, full of shabby flowers, lace, and the piano. So that is a kit of 14 pages. Okay. Also this month you get a bonus page, which is a collection of 9 doilies, paper doilies, which I have layered with some shabby elements. So we got some tea mags, some perfumes, a coffee maker, some vintage pink laptop. I thought I wanted something to give you something that you can use with this paper pack, but also is individual just to make some embellishment. Okay, so this is just a bonus page. And last is a letter gift box. So as I said, this month we are on letter L. We've done all the letters. Let me show you all the letters before I show you what the letter L looks like. But you get a template. Okay, so that's the front, that's the sides, and that's the back. Because I had quite a lot of space, I designed an additional pillow box. Again, that you can print it on cardstock and you get an extra bonus little pillow box. So let me show you what we've done so far. So we've done all the letters, and then we have some more in here. Oopsie, I dropped the F. D, E, F, G, H, I, and then we've got J, and we've done the K. Okay, and let me show you what the letter L looks like for this month. Okay, this is letter L that we made with the template from today, and this is the pillow box, what it looks like when it's done up. Okay, that was on the same page, so you get a bonus gift box. Okay, so now you saw all my beautiful VIP Lounge digital papers and gift box. Now, how can you win those papers? I give 3 of you the opportunity to win these papers simply by commenting. Leave a comment down below telling me and give me some ideas of what you would make using these papers. You can leave as many comments as you want, and I will pick the winners randomly in a few weeks. Okay, good luck everyone, and thank you so much once again for everything that you guys do for me. So this is my little way to give something back to the community. Have a wonderful day, guys, and see you very soon.